How to pay Bank of America auto loan. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch any of your preferred web application. At the top search bar, type in Bank of America. Then you will see Bank of America's official website at the first search result. Click to open it. Now from your web browser, enter your user ID and your password. Get logged into your Bank of America account. Once you're inside your Bank of America account, you will see Bill Pay tab located on the top menu. If you have multiple accounts, select your auto loan from the list of payees. It may be listed under Loans or Auto Loans. Now once you do so, enter the amount that you would like to pay. Choose the payment date. Usually you can select today's date or schedule a future date. Review your payment details to ensure everything is correct. Lastly, once you have reviewed the details, click on the Make Payment or Submit button. You should receive a confirmation message on the screen. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below. We will catch you up in our